Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get the ball rolling. Lesson 62. What is the matter with them? What must they do? Biz qaranglar bolalar, 61 darsning davom bo'lgan 52 darsga bir taqat qilay. Avvalda yangi so'zlardan bir tanishib chiqsak. Birinchisi nima ekan? Headache. Okay, headache. Qarasak ma head deganimiz nima desanglar? Bosh. Shunami? Adamning beshi. Ache deganimiz ham nima shari? ARP A o'qib oldik endi. Mana A degani deb o'qilsa, mana nima desanglar? Ache. Demak headache. Headache deganimiz nima? Bosh og'riqi. Hamsi mening beshim og'riyapti bo'smi? I have a headache. I have a headache. And uning beshi og'riyapti, u qiz bola ekan. What's the matter with her? You know, she has a headache. Uningki beshi og'rib qolibdi, shunami? And next one is aspirin. Aspirin. Okay, ma and ma o'qib aspirin. Okay, aspirin degan gap, demak bosh og'rib qolsa aspirin yesa debdi. Yaxshi bo'lib qoldi-ku. Aspirin. Okay, aspirin. Okay, next one is earache. And ma ear deganimiz quloq, ma ache deganimiz og'riq. Demak quloq og'riqi degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? Endi ma head degan bosh, headache bo'lsa bosh og'riqi. Earache bo'lsa nima? Quloq og'riqi. Demak she has an earache. Uningki quloq og'rib qoldi degan gap. She has an earache. What must she do? You know, she must see a doctor. O cho'qim bir doktorxonaga doktorga ko'rinish kerak. She must see a doctor. What about next? Toothache. And the boch og'riqi degan gap bo'ldi. Toothache. Okay, I'm a tooth degan tish, ache deganimiz og'riq. Tish og'riqi. You know, she has a toothache. She has a toothache. Okay, what must she do? She must see a dentist. Okay, dentist. Dentist deganimiz nima? Bu tish doktori. Dentist, doctor degancha. Doktor. Okay, next one, stomach ache. Stomach ache. And nima stomach degan oshqozon, ache deganimiz nima? Og'riq. Stomach ache degan oshqozon og'riqi. Demak, he has a stomach ache. Uningki oshqozon og'rib qolibdi. He has a stomach ache. So what must he do? What must he do? He must see a doctor. Okay, he must take some medicine. Okay, medicine degan nima ekan? Dori. Medicine deganimiz nima? Take some medicine. Okay, next one is temperature. Okay, and the temperature degan birga temperatura. Shunami? Temperatura. Masalan, the highest temperature, lowest temperature, yuqori temperatura deymiz-ku. Uni nisbatan nima desam, qizib qolish. Masalan, she has a temperature. U qanaqa qildi? Qizitib qoldi. Demakchi qizitma so'rlab ketdi. Temperatura so'rlab ketdi. Shunami? Okay, flu deganimiz-chu, taqlashdan zuqam. Ana a cold deganimiz bir odatdagi biz zuqam bo'lsa, flu bo'lsa, ig'ra ma'o. Bu tarqalashdan zuqam. Bu virus keltirib chiqargan. Agar zuqam deymiz, sanla flu deymiz, Flu. Masalan, he has flu. Temperature. All right, next one, measles. Okay, measles deganimiz nima? Shu oqanam chiqib qolish, badaning qizil chiqish, ko'ra olmam. Intayin qo'rqinchliqa. Measles. I have measles and mumps. Mumps, shu bo'g'iz shib qilish, shu bo'yan, shu harika, quloq osti bezininkichu, shu harika kirilgan go'shalni deymiz. Mumps deymiz. Measles and nima? Mumps, shu bo'g'izniki qanday shib qilishi. Demak, hamda bu kasallarning turli ekan. Hamsa meningki playtime. Hamsa bir jumla qurash o'yna boqaylik bolalar. Have yoki has headache. Okay. Agarda hamda 3-yaxshi birlik bo'lsa nima? He has a headache. Okay. Agar ko'plik o'qilsa, they have a headache degandek. I have a headache. So, hey, what is the matter with you? I have a headache. What must you do? I must take an aspirin. Bir aspirin yeyishim kerak. What's the matter with him? He has a headache. What must he do? He must take an aspirin. So, what's the matter with her? she has an earache. What must she do? She must see a doctor. She must see a doctor, right? 조금 doktor ko'rinish kerak. What is the matter with him? He has a toothache. What must he do? He must see a doctor, dentist. He must see a dentist. What about him? What is the matter with him? He has a stomach ache, so he must take some medicine. Okay, 조금 도리이시 kerak. Okay, what's the matter with her? She has a temperature, so she must go to bed. 조금 карабат yetish kerak, right? So what is the matter with him? Okay, he has a flu, so he must stay in bed. Okay, what's the matter with him? He has a measles, so he must call the doctor. Endi miyarama g'arblik bilan Jungoning bir farqini bilsangiz, chet elda endi ko'pincha xalqningki shaxsiy doktor bo'ladi, shaxsiy advokat bo'ladi. Ular masalan og'rib qolsa, doktorlarni uyiga chaqirdi, shunami? Lekin endi we need to go to hospital, right? Endi bu biz doktorni uyimizga chaqirdig'achni ayt oz, shunami? Faqat shu baylar ham qiladi. Ko'pincha ahvolda nima go to hospital qilamiz, doktorxonaga boramiz, lekin ular nima call the doctor. Doktorga telefon qildigan gap. So what is the matter with her? She has a headache. Okay, he's crazy. What must he do? She must take an aspirin. Okay. And the written exercise, mesela sizlarning kitobinglarning oxiridan bor, qaranglar. Buning igisini nimaga o'zgartir ekanmi desanglar, igisini he ga o'zgartir ekanmiz. Masalan, I have a headache bo'lsa, uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'ldi, shunami? He has a headache. Buningda nima keldi? Has keldi. Qag'alarni o'zgartirib qo'yganlar, balla I have a cold. Igis he bo'lsa, he has a cold. Get. He has a cold. I feel ill. Men og'rib qoldim. Masalan, u og'rib qoldi bo'lsa, he feels ill. And asosli feel bo'lib qolsa, uning keynigini nima qatamiz? As qatamiz. He feels ill. I don't like doctor. Mening doktor bilan xo'sham yo'q. And u xo'sh yo'q. He doesn't like doctor. He doesn't like doctor. Masalan, endi ma B ga qaranglar. Dave headache, earache, call the doctor. And the headache, earache. And the headache emas ekan shundami? Earache bo'lib qopti. So, what is the matter with Dave? Does he have a headache? No, he doesn't have a headache. He has an earache. What must he do? So, he must call the doctor. Cho'qim doktorni chaqirish kerak yoki doktorga ko'rinish kerak, shunami? We must call the doctor. And Jane mumps toothache. See a dentist. Right? What is the matter with Jane? Or Jane g'nim bo'ldi. Jane g'nim bo'ldi desanglar. Does she have a mumps? No. She doesn't have a mumps. She has toothache. So she must see a dentist. Cho'qim bir tish doktori qanaqa qilish kerak? Ko'rinish kerak. Demak, endi shularniki do'rab savolasiz, sizlar qog'ozlarni bir tafsili ishlab baqsanglar, tushunmagan yeringlar bo'lsa, bizningki undalar salonni qetib olib, shu g'oyibiz yoki turbat va yoki updatelar qilib so'rasanglar bo'ladi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagich bo'lsin. Topshiriq so'zliklarni 10 qatim yozish, undan keyin shu 61 darsning tekstini yodlanglar. Ko'p takrar qilinglar. Jiq o'qib turinglar. Kunda 20 soatdan 1 soatgacha shu qulqinlardan shunday anglash yurjiti bo'lsin, demakchi tanishuvchi bo'lsin. Tafsili anglab qilib bersanglar, menimcha sizlarniki o'rganishinglarda intayin zo'r muvaffaqiyatlar, unumlarni qo'lga keltira olasizlar. All right, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.